Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the second session of chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor. Before proceeding further, let us revise what we did in our first session. You learned what is a multiple. Multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. Every number is a multiple of 1. A number is a multiple of itself. In fact, a number is always the first multiple of itself. Example, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. The first multiple is 4, which is the number itself. Then a number has infinite number of multiples. Finally, a multiple of a number is either equal to or greater than the number. Let me give you the answers for the questions I asked you in my last session before starting today's session. I had asked you the first 5 multiples of 6. They are 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. And second question was any 3 multiples of 9. I have written 18, 54 and 90. You can write any multiples that comes in table of 9. Let us proceed with today's session, common multiples. The multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are called the common multiples of those numbers. Example, 6 4s are 24. 24 is a multiple of 6 and it is a multiple of 4. So we can say 24 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. 24 comes in the tables of both 4 and 6. There are 2 methods to find the common multiples of numbers. One way is by writing the multiples of the given numbers and circling the common multiples. The second way is through circle diagrams. Common multiples, page number 91. We are going to find the common multiples of 3 and 5 by both methods. This is circle diagram method. I have drawn 2 circles here to write the multiples of 3 in one circle and multiples of 5 in another circle. Write the number of which you are going to write the multiples above the circle. This circle has multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 till 45 and so on. And this circle has multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and so on. This middle portion is common for both 3 and 5. So whatever common multiples we get of 3 and 5, we will be writing it in this portion. This is called intersection. Now let us see the common multiples of 3 and 5. The first common multiple is 15. Now once we write the common multiple in the intersection portion, we will cut off 15 from both the sides. A number is written only once, so we will be writing it in the middle portion. The next common multiple is 30. Which number will be the next? Yes, 45. So now we know the common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15, 30, 45 and so on. Now let us do it by the other method. Let us find it by writing the multiples and circling the common multiples. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24. I have written it till 51. 17 3s are 51. Now multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I have written it till 50. 10 5s are 50. Now let us circle the common multiples of 3 and 5. The first one is 15. The next one will be multiple of 50. So it will be 30. The third will be 45 and it will go on. So common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15, 30, 45 and so on. You just saw how to find common multiples of 3 and 5 through a video. Some numbers like 15, 30, 45, etc. are multiples of both 3 and 5. They are the common multiples of 3 and 5. The common multiples of 3 and 5 were written in the intersection part. Will they still be written in both the circles where we had written the other multiples of 3 and 5? No. It will be written only in one place, that is the intersection part. Now can you tell me which is the smallest, that is the least among these three common multiples? Yes, it is 15. 1, 5, 15. So the least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. Let us see what is LCM. The lowest common multiple, LCM. The lowest common multiple or LCM of two or more numbers is their first common multiple. If we find the LCM of any two given numbers, then the subsequent common multiples are the multiples of the LCM. Let us see an example here. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Then the subsequent common multiples of 3 and 4 will be multiples of 12. That is 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. The LCM of two or more numbers is never lesser than any one of the numbers. Page number 92. Let us find the common multiples and LCM of 4, 6 and 5 through circle diagram. I have drawn three circles here for 4, for 6 and for 5 to write the multiples of these three numbers. You can see four intersection paths. The orange part is the intersection part for multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. Green portion is of multiples of 5 and multiples of 6, and purple portion is for multiples of 5 and multiples of 4. The middle white portion is the common part for all the three numbers. So let us now proceed further. I have written the multiples of 4 here, that is the table of 4, multiples of 6 here, table of 6, and multiples of 5, that is table of 5 here till 60. Multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 till 60. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 till 60. And multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 till 60. Now let us see the common multiples of 4 and 6. If we see, the first number is 12. If it is 12 first, what will be the next one? It will be multiple of 12. So the next will be 24, then it will be 36, it will be 48, 60 and so on. So now let us come to common multiples of 6 and 5. The first one is 30. So if the first one is 30, what will be the next one? 60 and so on. Now let us come to 4 and 5. The first common multiple is 20. The next will be 40, then 60, then so on. Now common multiple of 4, 5 and 6 we have to find from here. Now if we see all the three intersection paths, we find only 60 is the common multiple here. What will be the next common multiple of all the three? Yes, it will be 120. Then 180 and so on. Now, common multiples of 4, 6 and 5 are 60, 120, 180 and so on. Now, which is the least number here? 60. So, LCM of 4, 6 and 5 is 60. Let us now answer the questions asked in page number 92. What common multiples of 5 and 6 did you write in the green part? 30, 60 and so on. Second, what common multiples of 4 and 6 are written in orange part? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. In which colored part common multiples of 4, 5 and 6 are written? In white part the common multiples of 4, 5 and 6 are written. What is the least common multiple of 4, 6 and 5? The LCM of 4, 6 and 5 is 60. Try to solve these two questions on your own and I'll give you the answers in my next session. First question, write the first 10 multiples of 6 and 8 and also find the common multiples of them by both the methods. Second, find the common multiples and LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Let us do few problem sums. Page number 97 in your textbook, question number 1. There is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden there is a path. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then what is the shortest length of the path? Let us find the solution of this question. We have to find the shortest path. So we have to find the LCM of 2, 3 and 5. Whenever you see the word shortest, smallest, least in the questions, you have to calculate the LCM of the given numbers. To calculate the LCM of 2, 3 and 5, I have written the multiples of 2, 3 and 5 here. Multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8 till 30 and so on. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12 till 30 again and so on. And multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. If you see, the first common multiple of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. So LCM of 2, 3, 5 is equal to 30. Therefore, the answer is the shortest length of the path is 30 meter. Let us solve one more question. Sumit made reservations for an office lunch at a local restaurant for 2 days. On the first day, the employees sat in groups of 8, while on the second day, they sat in groups of 12. What is the smallest number of people who went for lunch? You can see the word smallest here. So, we will be finding the LCM of 8 and 12. Multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32 till 80 I have written and so on. Multiples of 12, I have written it till 108 and so on. They are nothing but the tables of 8 and 12. Now you can see LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. 24 is the first common multiple of 8 and 12. So 24 people is the smallest number of people who went for lunch. Let us play a game. I have few marbles with me. I am going to make groups of 2 with these marbles. How many groups I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is left. Now I am going to make groups of 3 with these same marbles. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I am left with 1. Let me make groups of 4 now. Now how many groups I have? 1, 2, 3. Again, I am left with 1. How many marbles I am having then? I am having 13 marbles. 1, 3, 13. There are certain numbers which cannot be grouped. Those numbers will be either in their own table or in table number 1. Those numbers are called prime numbers. What are they called? Prime numbers. And the numbers which can be grouped like this, leaving no remainder, is called composite numbers. These are called composite numbers. Let us now see what are prime numbers and composite numbers. Let us now see what are prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are divisible only by number 1 or itself. Example, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the first few prime numbers. These numbers appear only in table 1 and in its own table. Composite numbers. Numbers that are divisible by more than 2 numbers are called composite numbers. Example, 4, 6, 8 and 9 are the first few composite numbers. Other than table 1 and its own table, these numbers appear in few other tables also. Next, 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. It is called an unique number. Finally, the only even prime number is 2. Let us now see the prime numbers from 1 to 50. They are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Circle the prime numbers from this set of numbers. I have circled the prime numbers here. 5, 13, 37, 11, 41 and 47. Other numbers are composite numbers. Now, secondly, circle the composite numbers from this set. I have circled the composite numbers. They are 9, 12, 15, 21, 18, 27 and 38. The other numbers are prime numbers. Let us revise what we did in this session. You learned what are common multiples of numbers and the 2 ways to find the common multiples of numbers. Multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are called common multiples of those numbers. Example, 24 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. The 2 ways to find the common multiples are either by circle diagram or by writing the multiples of the given numbers and circling the common multiples. Then you learned least common multiple, that is LCM. LCM of 2 or more numbers is their first common multiple. Finally, you learned what are prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are divisible only by number 1 or itself. Numbers that are divisible by more than 2 numbers are called composite numbers. Kids, we have come to the end of this session. Practice finding out the multiples, common multiples and LCM of numbers. In the next session, we will be learning factors of a number and prime factorization of a number. Take care. Bye.